Let's take a look at some examples of this retail wholesale markup discount sales price concept with percentages. For this first one here, we're talking about Walmart buying a TV from Sony for $300. So that is the wholesale price that Walmart has to pay Sony for the TV. They turn around and mark up the TV 35% of $300 and sell it to you. This retail price, this is the price that you pay. So Walmart paid $300 for the TV. Don't forget, before we can multiply 35% and 300 together, we have to convert that to a decimal. So I would have $300 plus the markup is $105. The retail price that you pay at Walmart for that TV is $405. So we went from the wholesale price to the markup. The markup is $105. That's the profit for Walmart. They paid $300 for the TV. You pay $405. Same concept for the next one. We want to find out how much we pay for a car. If a dealership pays $12,000 for that car, they turn around and mark it up 55% of $12,000. So what I have here is 12,000 plus 0.55 times 12,000. So I would have 12,000 plus those two multiplied together is $6,600. You would pay $18,600 for the car. So originally the car cost $12,000 for the dealer. They marked it up $6,600 and you pay $18,600 for it. Now, number 3 is a little trickier. We're going to have to work this one backwards. We are looking for the wholesale price this time. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to call that X. We know that a book at the bookstore costs $120, and they marked the book up 30% more than what the bookstore paid for it. I don't know what the bookstore paid for it. That's what I'm solving for. So I now have an X in this problem. So I have 120 is equal to X plus 0.30X right there. Now, what I have to remember is that there is a 1 in front of that X value as my coefficient. So I have 120 is equal to 1 plus 0.30x. 1x plus 0.30x is 1.30 times x. Now, to finish this off, I'm going to divide both sides by 1.30. So I have my x value, what Radford paid for the book, is $92.31. So there's how you would do that one, working backwards, knowing the retail price and solving for the wholesale price. Let's take a look at another one of those problems where we're going backwards. We have the wholesale price of a car that I'm looking for. I don't know what that is, but I know the price tag on it is $17,000. That's what you and I pay. We're trying to figure out what the dealer paid before they marked it up 15% of the wholesale price. So I'm going to move the decimal over 2 places. I would have 17,000 is going to equal to X plus 0.15 times X. Again, there's an understood 1 lead coefficient. I have an X, I have a 0.15X. I add those two together, and I would have 1.15x is equal to 17,000. To finish this problem off again, I would just divide both sides by 1.15, that value, cancel, cancel, and my X value would be $14,782.61. That's what the dealership paid for the car. They marked it up 15% and sold it to you for $17,000. So there's how you would use that retail wholesale price formula. Let's take a look at a couple of examples where we're using the sales price discount formula. So here we have a jacket for $120 at the Gap. We are going to discount that 20% off. We're going to subtract 20% off of $120. So I have 120 minus 0.20 times 120. So I have 120 minus 0.20 times 120. That is going to give me $24. The new price of the jacket is $96. So it was originally $120, 20% off would make the price of the jacket now $96. Let's skip on down to number 3, because this one is where we're going to work a problem backwards with the sales price formula. So here we have a necklace. We know that it is on sale for $45. The retail price of the necklace is what I'm looking for before it went on sale, and I know it was discounted 20% off. So there's what I would have for all of my numbers in the formula. So I have $45 is X minus 0.20x. Now, I have a lead coefficient again of 1 in front of that x. So I would have 1 minus 0.2, or $1 minus 20 cents is 80 cents, or $0.8, and the x comes along because they're like terms. To solve this for x, I would just divide both sides by 0.80, and these two would cancel. The original price of the necklace before it went on sale was $56.25. So there's how you'd use a sales price formula to work to find the retail price of an item before it went on sale.